guys.
So we're just going to be starting off with a small video to show what we're going to be doing on YouTube because this is our first time making a YouTube. Shout out to Real Gamer XD. He's my brother. And so we are going to be just telling you guys a little bit about what we're going to be doing in our YouTube channel. So we are going to just do a few things like Minecraft, Roblox, Scratch, a lot of other things like that. We might even do some games that you guys recommend.
I just fell off the bed. I like Pokemon.
Yes, Pokemon Go also for me. I'm not sure about her.
I will do Pokemon.
And so those are some of the things we're going to be doing.
I fell off the bed.
So that's kind of what's going to happen a little bit. You guys can leave comments about what you think we should do. So, any of you recommend anything? Just leave it in the comments because I love games. Also, Friv. I love Friv too. Friv is a nice game. I like Friv, but it's not my favorite. My favorite is Minecraft and Roblox. I like them equal because, I really like Minecraft. It's really fun. So, shout out to Real Gamer XD. That is my brother. Please subscribe to his channel if you haven't already. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already because this really is just really exciting. Making a first video.
Yeah.
And we thought that it would be super fun to record because, we just love watching videos on YouTube. So we thought, if we love it, wouldn't other people love it too? So, so we should make more videos because people are not uploading. Also, other people I watch
every day.
Other people I watch is Audi Shadow Lady, sometimes Yami XOX, and the Orion Sound sometimes. I mostly like Audi Shadow Lady.
Yeah, me too.
I watch
She actually inspired me.
all the time. Yeah. But I also have my own YouTube channel, which we'll get to in a little. But anyways, we will be just talking about a lot of things. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. That's it for today.